can you say you are a true worshiper, a God glorifier, and your mother is doubting your life? Your father is in doubt. Your friends are in doubt. Colleagues in the office are still tempting you with bribe because they are not sure whether you will collect or not. Neighbors are in doubt. You are coming, they mistakenly serve you alcohol. And when you say you are not drinking, they are surprised. Why? Why? Yeah. Are you sick? Or you have had enough drink before you came? In those days, when a Christian brother or sister passed, there is something you felt and there is something you saw. The atmosphere they carried and the comportment of their body did not make you ask whether they were born again. Born again was written on them. In those days, you couldn't look at a Christian sister and the first thing that came to your mind was lust. Impossible. The appearance was not lustful. It wasn't lust provoking. It wasn't lust appealing. It wasn't seductive, suggestive at all. But today the opposite is the case. There are some who will come out to dance and brother have to look away. Because the buttock is in advertisement, chest is being advertised. How is it that we are not concerned about what God feels and what the world feels? Somebody was interested in coming to know God, and he saw the way you are looking, and he said, if this is how they look in church, then I don't need to go at all. You will give account of that soul. Every time you appear, you are communicating something. You may not commit immorality for life, but you made people commit immorality by looking at you and by spreading the spirit of seduction. You follow them to hell. I don't want to embarrass you, people from America. Please come. Come. This is message. Is it not Oyibo people who want to look like? These people came from Oyibo land, where people are almost naked on the road. This is summer. Summer, they use the excuse of heat to move about naked. All right, let the Czech Republic girl come out too. Bulgaria, stand over here. See her, up, down. This is Oyibo from Europe. There are some of us, the way we are looking now, if you arrive in America one day, only pants you'll be wearing. If you arrive and leave America one half day, you pull your shirt, pull your skirt. They say, what is that? They say, I'm in America. Look at this young daughter here. Look at her. This is not in Nisikwato village. This person here is not in Ubolafo. This person you are seeing standing here is not from Ijesha, not from Tudunwanda in Kasina. Which state are you from in America? Georgia. Which part in Georgia? Atlanta. Say it again.
Atlanta.
I would have said Atlanta. She said Atlanta. That is to show you how transformed the tongue is. She came all the way from Atlanta. Looking like this. Is this not a shame to so-called civilized local Nigerians? Nigeria, where we have a major ball of local people who interpret spirituality to mean decency. In my village, you can't dress anyhow and preach to anybody. That is where we are living. And then we want to live like America here. Meanwhile, there are those living in America who refuse to be Americanized. Look at the Europe girl there. If you go to Czech Republic, that part of Europe, they wear what they call bomb shot. The girls. Shorts that are almost as short as the pant on the road. They legalize, is it immorality? For age 12 and above. That was what they told us when we got there at that time. That is the kind of place she is coming from. And she decided to be, I want to see the length of the skirt and the width of it. She decided to be like this. All these things, they stand at judgment at the end. And you say the world is so corrupt and everybody is behaving like that. Look at this one, and 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 look at this one. Are they not in the same world? Are they not in the same? Now, I didn't purposely bring my wife out because he said it's his wife. Maybe they planned it. Did I plan with these people? Thank you for coming. Congratulations. Please continue and take our message back there, that you can be the correct person irrespective of the society you found yourself.